Well, we've got some new pigeons today, and these pigeons came from a breeder who has been breeding pigeons for an astonishing 80 years. He is got to be in his 90s. His name is Mr. Jim Cercelli, and these birds are birds that are described as being balanced. We haven't seen this in any of our pigeons yet, so we're pretty pleased about that. And they also sort of seem sturdy but buoyant. I mean, it's a new concept for us, but we're getting it. And it was very nice of Mr. Bob Carney from South Windsor to find these for us, because Mr. Cercelli is a very elderly gentleman and he just couldn't care for them anymore. So he was supposedly looking for somebody who was enthusiastic and interested in this. And, that certainly describes us. And these birds are so pretty. We just feel like we won the lottery. Because we can't afford $2,000 a pigeon. We watch the pigeon auctions and they seem like a great way to get stock, but there's just no way that two humble chicken enthusiasts are going to spend $2,000. Anyway, these guys are really, really amazing to us. They don't seem like any other pigeons that we've handled. Certainly, I have handled a lot less pigeons than Caesar here, but they're just so nice. You can tell they're sturdy European. They're Hubner, old Hubin, old strain of birds that was famous at one time, we've been told, and with a little bit of Jensen mixed in them. So while we're not huge pedigree people, we hear that these are good lines, and Caesar's reminding me that there's also some gayness in there. So Mr. Cercelli was very careful with what he originally purchased back in his day, and has been a good steward of them, as we've been told. So we're looking forward to making Mr. Cercelli proud, and we're going to do our best to get some decent babies and treat them right, and hopefully they will treat us right.